Part 10. Calculate the selling price, SP. You will find this on page 139 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Example 12. A clock which costs 20 Namibian dollar and 50 cent is sold at a profit of 20% on the cost price. Find its selling price. Now, if you think back of your table, and the method number 3 was percentage increase and decrease, finding the amount. This is exactly what we are going to do. So use the method increase a quantity by a given percentage and finding the amount, not the percentage. So the increase value, we can either do method 1 or method 2, but I think both of this was done with method 1. So it's the original value plus, take the percentage, 20, make it a fraction out of 100, multiply the original value, and because it's increased, we add it up, and then we come to 27. The second method, can you remember? It was also the original value, multiply, but then we took the 100% and we add the 20%, and then it was 120 over 100, and we also would have multiplied with the 22.5. Okay. But the second one, a car which costs 78 Namibian dollar, 78,000 Namibian dollar, is sold at a loss of 6% on the cost price. Find its selling price. So now it's just decrease this amount by 6%. So I'm doing exactly the same. I just put a subtraction there. So work out 6% of 78,000 and then just subtract it from the 78,000. And I get 73320 Namibian dollar. Okay, I want you to do for me, try now 12, number A as well as number B. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Try now 12. Oh, I left out the try now. Try now 12. Doesn't matter. Okay. Let's start with number A. Now, in number A, I'm saying a profit of 15% is made on radios which cost 634. What is the selling price of the radios? So, to find the increased value or the selling price, we can call it the selling price, we can just take that 6, I'm following method 1, and we're going to add because it increased. And we're just going to work out what is 15% of 634. And that will give me 634, and that 15% will be 95.10. And if I add it up, it will, the selling price, Namibian dollar, 729.10. That will be the selling price. So maybe we can just say, because it's a practical sum, what is the selling of of a radio is maybe just something like that, 729.10 point. Okay, let's look at number B. A builder bought a house for 105,000 Namibian dollar. He sold it at a loss of 5%. At what price did he sell the house? Okay, now it went down. So the decrease, so it's still the selling price, but it's just decreased now. So it's still 105,000 original value, but now it's minus. And we must work out the loss of 5%. So work out 5% of 105,000. So if I work it out, it will be 105,000 minus, and that 5% will be 5250. And as soon as I subtract that, I will be ending with 99750 Namibian dollar. At what he sells. Okay, at what price sell the house? 49750 Namibian dollar. Okay, so it's actually just the same as we did with increase and decrease, finding the amount. We're just calling it's in practical situations, so it's still selling price and cost price that we are working with.